When you sign up for a course with me, you'll get a Zoom link for the live online class, and in the link you will see a way to save the meeting to your calendar, as well as the link to join the Zoom meeting. You can click on the Join the Zoom meeting to see what happens. If you are new to Zoom, it will automatically start downloading the Zoom app. If you already have Zoom on your computer, you don't have to download it again, and you'll be able to just click Launch the Meeting. So it'll install Zoom, and then you'll be able to launch the meeting. Just click Open Zoom. And just wait a moment and it will sign you in. If the class was in progress, you would automatically go in. You can go and click the launch from your browser if you don't have the Zoom app. When you first sign in to Zoom, it'll ask you to allow your webcam and microphone, and it'll show a little preview of yourself before you enter the Zoom meeting. Put your name in and click Remember, and then join. It'll only ask you to do that once. If you want to come back and save the meeting in your calendar, you can click the link in the email and it will download the information. Click on that to open it, and you can save it in your calendar. That way, every time we have a meeting in the repeating class, it'll show up in your calendar and you can click on that link from your meeting. You can also copy the link and save it to your web browser. Paste the link in the URL and then go up to, most web browsers have a little button you can click to save it in the bookmark attachments. You can also rename the link, and you can save it to different folders in your bookmark bar to come back to a recurring class easily. There's also a way to save the link to the webinar as a shortcut. Go to your desktop, right-click, click New, and click Shortcut, and it'll walk you through the process of putting in the URL that you saved. You can paste that in and click Next. Give it a name, and it will save it right to your desktop so you can come back to a recurring meeting right from your desktop. To access the recordings from our class, I will send you a link to join the folder using Google Drive. In the link there will be a open button. You can click that and it'll take you to your Google Drive if you already have Google set up on your computer, and you can click the recordings to watch them on your own time. Give it time to upload. Sometimes it swirls for a while. The Shared With Me button on the left side of your Google Drive will have all of the courses with me all stacked up for you. So coming back to Shared With Me in Google Drive is the best way to see all of the different folders that I've given you access to over time. If you do not have a Gmail account, you can create one using any email address that you have. You do not need to create a Gmail brand new email address. Go to google.com and you can go to Google Drive, click the box with dots, click Drive, and then it will ask you to sign in. If you have a Gmail account, you can sign in already, or you can click Create Account. Click for personal use, then put your name in for your Google account, and then you can enter your current email address. Just keep going down to the Use My Current Email Address instead and type in your email address, whether it's at Yahoo or Hotmail or anything. and then you'll create a password, click confirm, and then that will be your login to watch the videos on Google Drive the next time you come back.